Imagine explaining an idea once, and AI instantly turns it into beautiful apps, documents, presentations, research, diagrams, and much more. That's exactly what Claude Design does. My favorite part is that everything stays inside one workspace. No switching between multiple design tools. Just describe your idea, and Claude creates exactly what you need. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, student, or project manager, Claude Design helps organize your work faster and keeps everything professionally structured. For designers and developers, Claude Design can instantly create wireframes, UI mockups, diagrams, animations, and even interactive product ideas without starting from scratch. Need professional business content? Claude Design can generate polished documents, research reports, HTML emails, flyers, and even beautiful typography combinations within seconds. If you want to save hours every week and create professional work with AI, Claude Design is definitely worth trying. The future of work has already arrived.